Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Luhxe Travel Bag 2.0 is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Luhxe website, the Luhxe Travel Bag 2.0 is a convertible garment duffel bag designed for travelers who want to keep their clothes organized and wrinkle-free while staying within most airlines' carry-on size requirements. The company says it's designed to combine the functions of garment bag and a duffel bag into a single travel solution. It also, as stated here, comes with the new detachable wheels, easily switch between rolling and carry wheels on. Wheels basically comes on and off in 5 seconds, very easy. So, according to the website, as you can see, one of its main features, its wrinkle-free garment compartment, which is designed to keep suits, dresses, and other clothing hanging flat during travel. The company also says that the bag includes a dedicated shoe compartment, multiple interior pockets, and accessories, and the water-resistant PU leather exterior to help protect the bag from light rain and spills. The websites also state that the bag carry-on approved is a carry-on approved for many airlines, and it includes some detachable wheels, as we said before. So you'll find here many other details. If you want to read this all, you can pause the video and read this out. You can see here what's included as well, and also the information for shipping and returns wherever you are living at. Here you'll find other details if you want to. As you can see, three features included here, trusted by top-rated travel company worldwide. And here you'll find reviews of some women if you want to see it out. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to see everything else. At the bottom, you'll find some frequently asked questions. If you have one of these questions, as you can see, I'm just going to open the answer of those, and you can read it out yourself. So if you have one of these questions before ordering and you want to know the answer, here you'll find the ratings, and at the bottom also you'll find the contacts page. If you want to ask another question, they will get back to you. Now, as an example, if you want to order, just go back to the page, click on add to cart as an example, and click on checkout. Once you do so, you will be taken to the checkout page. From here, just go and enter your shipping and payment information, review your order, and complete your purchase by following the on-screen instructions. And according to the website, the bag is backed by a 100-day guarantee, and the company also provides shipping and tracking information after your order is placed. And if you have any questions before purchasing, as we said, just go and contact them or read the frequently asked questions. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.